Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the CRM platform, which is QuoteIQ. So to get started, QuoteIQ is a CRM built specifically for home service business like prayer washing, lawn care, and window cleaning. It combines quoting, scheduling, invoicing, payment, and customer tracking into one simple platform. Features like instant quote, map mail, and QuoteIQ can help user quickly create quote, measure properties, and capture before and after photos. Many small business owners appreciate how easy it is to use and how it streamlines their workflow. However, the app isn't perfect. Some users report bugs in the mobile version and says the subscription plans can get pricey, especially for solopreneurs operators. There have also been complaints about difficulty canceling or getting support. Despite that, QuoteIQ is worth it if you are a small business-based business and want an all-in-one app to manage quote, job, and payment in one place. So just make sure to try the features that matters most to your business before committing to a plan. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. If you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.